Powered Services is selling this unit. It's an Ingersoll Rand 741 compressor, which is about 140 CFM. It's quite easy to tow, 700 kilos, road registerable. It's 2002 model, so in terms of age, it is an older machine, but it's only done 3,900 hours. It's been well maintained. We're selling it with a 6-month air end warranty and a 3-month engine warranty. So it's quite reliable, good value at 12,000 plus GST. So it's probably about half price of new, and it won't let you down. So I'll just show you, it's easy to start, easy to operate and easy to tow. Just a little bit of heat. Just don't let the age of the machine put you off. It is a current build, there are parts available for it, and really for the buying it's great for running tools, blowing down decks, running headers or cleaning out headers in your harvesters. So a really good value machine at the right price.